So here's an update video on the rear main seal that I installed in the Suburban, the 6.0 engine, a little over a year ago, about a year and some months ago. And I just thought I'd film this since I did have to remove everything and replace the flex plate. Just because I overlooked something, kind of made a rookie mistake, although I've seen a gazillion flywheels in my life, and I was just so focused on installing the rear main seal precisely and putting out an amazing video, detailed video on that specifically. I just found myself making a rookie mistake, but it's okay, we are human. And I'm kind of glad in a sense that I did do that, because I had to replace the flex plate. Now I got an amazing detailed video or update video on the flex plate, and I'm describing some things and adding some context to the different flex plates. Also, I got 3 more other videos out of this, which is replacing the exhaust manifolds. They were a lot of broken bolts there, flush to the head itself, and I did an amazing video on all of that stuff, so it'll be on the channel. Well, it should be already on the channel, because I will upload this last after I upload those videos. I will be uploading this one last out of those other 3 videos that I did on this particular situation. So this is how it was when I installed it, and let's take a look at how it is now, a year and some later, and how well that gasket maker that I use for dressing to seal out those imperfections in the metal held up. Okay guys, here we go. Just a look at everything. Let's see. The engine 6.0. No signs of no leaks. You can see how the sealant has helped the gasket. This is a year, a little over a year later. I pause it here because I want to know, if you decide to do your rear main seal, just don't replace the seal, change the entire cover gasket, and use some seal and some dressing, because most of the time it's the culprit for that leak, opposed to it being the seal itself. So I just want to note that. Got light here, light there. But yeah, just want to show update since I did have to remove the flywheel of the work, and looking good. All right, let me install the flywheel and be back to show y'all this thing running. Brand new flywheel.